In this video, we will learn how to retrieve physical and logical disk information. To retrieve this information about the physical disk on our system, we can perform this command get disk. When we execute this command, we get the disk number, friendly name, serial number, health status, operational status, and total size and partition style. To read the logic disk information, we can use the get-wmi object with the class parameter set to Win32 logical disk. Let's try that. Now I will type get-wmi object and class parameter, and I will set to Win32 underscore logical disk, and just hit enter after this. And when we execute this, we will get the output as a device ID, device type, provider name, free space, size, volume name properties. So this is an easy way to get information about disk with PowerShell. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.